Hello viewers, today we are going to see about scalar product or dot product of vectors. So now this is a vector going in this direction. I call it as A vector, and another vector is in this direction. I call it as B vector, and the angle between the two vectors is theta. Now if you want to find scalar product, but generally we call it as dot product. So A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector and cos theta, where theta is the angle between A vector and B vector. Okay, this is the basic formula. Now assume if A vector and B vector are perpendicular to each other. That means the angle is 90 degree. So if you substitute cos 90 is 0. Therefore, this will kill the whole term. That means A vector dot B vector is equal to 0. That means whenever you get A vector dot B vector is equal to 0, that means the two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Now suppose this B vector or A vector and another A vector both lie, see this is A vector and one more vector, this is also A vector, both lie in the same direction, right? So in that case A vector dot A vector is equal to, since they lie in the same line, this will be cos 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. That means magnitude of A, that means A square. Okay. Now we will do one problem based on this concept, dot product or scalar product. Find A vector dot B vector if A vector is equal to I cap minus J cap plus 5K cap. B vector is 3I cap minus 2K cap. That means B vector can be written as 3I cap plus 0J cap minus 2K cap. We don't have a J vector, so therefore I put 0J cap. So how to represent in three-dimensional these vectors? Okay. Now if you see, assume this is I vector, this end is J vector, and this is K. The first point A vector will be 1I vector. Say this is 1I vector. It will be here. Minus J. Okay. This is plus J. This is minus J. So the meeting point will be here. Plus 5K. So it goes here. 5K vector. Now actually the A vector is from origin. It goes like this. Okay. Now coming to B vector. B vector is 3I vector. Maybe 3 here. And minus 2K. I already told you plus K. Minus K will be bottom. So here you have minus 2. So the joining point will be here. So the vector goes like this. Now the question is A vector dot B vector. So we have to find the dot product of these two vectors. Okay. So solution. Now A vector dot B vector is equal to I cap minus J cap plus 5K cap dot product with B. B is 3I cap plus 0J cap minus 2K cap. So I vector goes with I vector only. J vector goes with J vector. K vector goes with K vector. I vector dot product with J, that means two vectors are perpendicular. In that case 90 degree, cos 90 is 0. So I vector dot product with J or I vector dot product with K will result in only in 0 because the angle is 90. See, this is I, this is J and this is K. If I take I and j, what will happen? The angle is 90. Cos 90 is 0. If I take I and k, then also the angle is 90 degree. So cos 90 is 0. Whereas I vector dot product with I vector, what will happen? Both are in the same direction, same value. So the angle is 0. Cos 0 is 1. So I vector dot I vector is I square. Okay. So I cap, if it is unit vector, 1 into 1 is 1 square 1. Okay. That means what I try to tell is I vector goes only with I vector, not with j and k, because the value will be 0. So here you have 1 into 3, 1 dot 3 is 3. I cap dot I cap, I already told you, unit vector 1 into unit vector dot with unit vector is 1 only. So 3. Then j will go with j only. Okay. So this is 0. And k will go with k only. That means 5 2s are 10. Minus 10. So the answer is 3 minus 10, which is minus 7. So the dot product of A vector dot B vector is minus 7. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.